All right, we're going. We're going, buddy. Grab a bag and grab your coat. Tell the ones that need to know we are headed north. One foot in and 1 foot back. But it don't pay to live like that. So I cut the ties and jump the tracks for never to return. Brooklyn, Brooklyn, take me in. Are you aware of the shape I'm in? My hands, they shake, my head, it spins. Oh, Brooklyn, Brooklyn, take me in. When at first I learned to speak, I used all my words to fight with him and her and you and me. Yeah, it was such a waste of time. It was such a waste of time. That woman, she's got eyes that shine like a pair of stolen polished dimes. She asked to dance, I said it's fine. I'll see you in the morning time. Brooklyn, Brooklyn, take me in. Are you aware of the shape I'm in? My hands, they shake, my head, it spins. Oh, Brooklyn, Brooklyn, take me in. 3 words that became hard to say. I and love and you. What you were then, I am today. Look at the things I do. Brooklyn, Brooklyn, take me in. You wear the shape I'm in. My hands, they shake, my head, it spins. Oh, champy, champy, take me in. That is one champ, Shannon on lead vocals. Welcome to the AI Learning Lab. I'm Kyle Shannon. If you didn't know that, if you're here and you're irregular, well, you got to deal with that. That's not on me. The fact that you show up here night after night after night, that's on you. That's on you. Just watching the meet and greet. Oh, that's nice. Hey, Lori, what's shaking? Got a few people in the house tonight. I started a little early, so give people a chance to get settled, microwave their Hot Pockets and such. Hey, is anyone else an asshole? Does anyone else go into the grocery store and buy like Hot Pockets and then ask the cashier if they're organic? No, that's just me. Gareth, asshole here. Pizza bagels. Yeah, exactly. These are organic, right? I usually get a look like, is that you're trying to make a joke? Is that's comedy for you? I get attitude. Oh man. So, well, I have a new hobby now. There you go. And see, this one won't even cost you money. It'll just cost you the price of a Hot Pocket. Or I'll go to 7-Eleven and just get a whole bunch of candy. This is organic, right? And they're like, they don't even comprehend the question. Vicky's having a sneezing fit. All right. I like it. Good people. Good evening. I love being proven wrong about something. So I was proven wrong about, I said yesterday or the day before that I think most people are going to miss this upgrade, the OpenAI image upgrade, because there's nothing new on the interface, right? And I mean, a lot of people don't even know that ChatGPT can make images in the first place, much less pay attention to now there's a new version. And boy, was I wrong. Twitter is a flutter. Twitter is a flutter. Twitter is a yitter, is a flutter. Twitter is a flutter. Doesn't matter. People are talking on Twitter a lot about this new. It's funny. They're not talking about the new image tool. What they're talking about is how many goddamn Ghibli images there are on Twitter now. So if you don't know, Studio Ghibli is an animation studio in Japan, very famous, and also very protective of their IP. And they'll sue people. And Sam Altman changed his PFP to be a Ghibli version of him. So everyone's going into ChatGPT and uploading their picture and turning it into a Ghibli picture of them. So I obliged. I did that on mine. I also today, this I was pretty excited about. I hurt someone's feelings. All right, let me go show you what I did. I don't feel that bad about it. Let's see, where are we? There's a lot of comments in here. So I made I made the April issue of Neolite Magazine. So I used ChatGPT's image generation tool. I wanted to see if it could do like a magazine layout, and by Jingus, here it is. So Neolithic Magazine, and then I put Gary Marcus, who sort of famously shits all over Sam Altman and OpenAI for not being as good as they say they are. So I did Neolithic Magazine and Why AGI Will Never Happen and Brains Weigh More Than GPUs is the book he wrote. I actually came up with that title. I got 2 responses from him. One was oh wait, it's probably in here, isn't it? Let's see. New adventures in bullying. So glad AI was invented. So he called me a bully. And then he goes, also, I never said AGI won't happen. And I am not a Neo-Luddite. See chapter 1 of my last book. The whole point about brains is that they're more efficient. What a total train wreck. So I got I got under Gary Marcus's skin. Oh, that made me happy. Oh man, I actually said I respect him a lot. I mean, listen, here's the deal. Anyone who's got a strong point of view and is willing to defend it, I have absolute respect for it. So I told him, I said, I've got a lot of respect for you. It was just a joke. And then he liked that. So I think we're okay. He doesn't know who I am. But I just thought Neolite Magazine. I'm like, someone needs to make this magazine. We can make a fortune. The other thing that happened today is that a new version of GPT 4.0 came out that's got a creative writing upgrade, a creativity upgrade, and it's also better at coding. And apparently it's like risen to the top of the coding leaderboard. So I thought it might be fun to play with some coding within ChatGPT and, maybe do like a web application, kind of like we do in Lovable, but do it in ChatGPT. And then I saw that I saw a post that you can have ChatGPT code in 3JS, which is the 3D JavaScript shit. And then you can tell it to render that JavaScript into the image of, what it represents, what the code is. Rick McCauley, it's crazy great. Can we get some Dadgad? I could, but I don't know any Dadgad songs. I mean, I suppose I could just retune and then pick on it, but I don't know it. You know what I want to get? Jacob Collier came out with a 5-string guitar. It's the same notes on the outside, the second string, and then it's a different note in the middle. He's such a fucking smart musician. I can't figure out if it'll be really easy to play or really hard to play. Because he makes everything look easy. He's just like, oh yeah, you just do all this and then your fingers just work and you just make music. Yeah, if I could make music like that, Jacob, I wouldn't need Suno now, would I? Oh man, I used your prompt, image and water cooler. Oh, cool. All right, nice. I need help in that, Kyle. I was trying to create an application. I have an idea. Well, ask ChatGPT. It'll help you. So, Neolite. Brains may weigh more than GPUs. I'm pretty happy with that title. the Gary Marcus. It is not surprising to me that he didn't see the humor in this. My point about brains is that they were more efficient. Okay, Gary, calm down. Go have a Snickers, buddy. Oh man, it's fun to be a dick sometimes. Okay, let's see. What else did we do tonight? There's my Studio Ghibli. There's Studio Ghibli me. I suppose I'm on the lawsuit parade now. What else did I look at? David Shapiro today put out an AI maximalism video, which I thought was actually pretty good. Oh, this was a fun one. So I went into ChatGPT. So one of the things that I heard, let's see, hangry. It's crazy great. All right, let me just make sure I'm not missing anyone. Gareth, I started to recreate my AR app for MetaQuest a couple of days ago, vibe coding, to start out with. Oh, should you start out with 4.0? It's certainly worth a shot. It sounds like it got much better today. They also said that they're not using as many emojis, which I don't know how they could use more. The only people using more emojis than GPT-4 is our government on the Signal app. It's war comedy. No? Too soon? Yeah. All right. Oh, this thing. So what I did, I saw a couple of posts where people are like, I'm giving up my Midjourney subscription. And I thought, well, that's a little extreme. I don't think it's as good as that. So I did a little experiment. This was an SREF that someone put up. And then I had ChatGPT explain this style. And it did. It was nice and detailed. And it was neo-Baroque romanticism or something like that. And it described what they do and what they do. And so I uploaded my my Kyle Shannon Dreams Cowboy. Yeah, I'm with you, Vicky. I don't think I'll ever give up my Midjourney subscription. But I just wanted to see, like, what could it do? And then so it did that. And it's a little too photographic, but it's in the neighborhood of a neo-Baroque romantic cowboy painting. And then I said, no, make it more painterly and put him on a horse. And so it did that. And then someone pointed out that the horse is comically small. Which, now that I look at it, they're not wrong. Oh, that's great. My best SREF so far is my phone number. Oh, yeah. And then Monday, you're right, Gareth. Monday, Midjourney's supposed to drop Midjourney 7, which, here's the deal. If Midjourney 7 can spell, if it catches up to Ideogram and now ChatGPT, that'll put them in good standing. If it's just subtly better than what they have now, I don't know that it's going to win a ton of people over, because it's just the best right now. Kyle's Little Pony. My Little Pony. Yeah, it's my Little Pony painting. So that was a good one. Oh, this was a film I got into. I don't think you'll be able to hear. The dude from So that's a little film that was made. I got access to a thing called No Spoon Studios, which is the woman who used to run Luma Labs creative partner program is now creating this software where you just give it a prompt and it makes you a whole film. It makes like a minute-long film, but it makes you all the shots, all the sound effects, the background music, all the edits, which I thought was pretty cool. Yeah, I know you can't hear. Here, I'll change my tab so you can hear, and I'll play it again. All right, this is called, I think it's called The Watchmaker. Right. That's kind of cool. It's called No Spoon Studios. It's very early. It's like pre-alpha. And it's interesting. I asked her if she was building it vibe coding style, and she said she built the rendering. The rendering calls are in Python. Those were built by hand, and then she's doing some of the front end stuff in vibe coding. Spin B3 in the house. What's happening? ChatGPT crazy good. Yeah. So we'll go play with some image stuff tonight. I want to continue. I want to continue playing. Let's try some stuff. Let me change my sharing back to sharing. Swang dang 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 dang. What is that? Is that Chariots of Fire? Or is that the piano? Swang dang 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 dang. Anyone for off tune humming guesses? AI can't replicate me. Chariots of Fire. Yeah, that's right. Chariots of Fire. Nee, 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 nee. Dee, dee, nee, nee, nee. Welcome to Chat ADD. All right, let's go to the chat Jetpack. Well, no, you know where I want to go first? Let's go. I saw this earlier today, and I thought it was kind of curious, clever. Let's see. Go to LinkedIn. Where do I want to go? Yeah, we'll go here. There's an Ethan Mollick post. No, we'll do it like this. There's Ethan Mollick. There's news stories. Let me do a command minus. No, we'll do command plus. That's good. All right. So we are going to, and I think what we'll do is we'll do messaging like that. So we're going to go command shift 5. Bang. Was that 5 or 6? 5. What the fuck is going on? Command shift 5. There we go. Okay. I'll go clipboard. And we're going to go copy this interface. All right. And then we're going to go to chat Jetpack. Oh, the other thing, yeah, I said we were going to do that. The other thing I want to play with is GPT-4o's just creative writing and code and shit like that. Siri can tell you if she's talking to you. I don't. Siri and I are not on speaking terms. We've got your background. Have you made a Chat ADD app yet? I have not. That's not a bad idea. Oh, actually, you know what would be cool about a Chat ADD app is that it would let you take 3. Oh, this is a good idea. So I came up with an idea in 1996. I still have the domain. So this was an article for Urban Desires, which was the online magazine I had, and we would invent new shit for it. It was where we did our innovation. So I had an idea for a site called Fish for It. And what it would do is it would just randomly take you to a site, but it would keep the interface up so you could keep casting, right? So it would do a Google search, or I don't think Google was a thing back then. It would do an Alta Vista search or whatever the fuck was the thing of the day. And then it would just randomly serve you up one, right? No waiting, just randomly serve you one. And then you just keep casting until you found something you like. So a chat ADD app could be kind of like that, where no matter what website you go to, it lets you take, I don't know, 5 actions. And then upon executing the 5th action, it just jumps you to a random site. That's pretty good. All right, maybe we'll make that. Okay, so I'm going to paste in the LinkedIn screenshot, and then I'm going to say, I want you to recreate this interface as if it was from the world of Toy Story. Like if I was watching the movie and one of the parents went to this site in the movie, it would look like what it would look like. That's not real English, but would look like. We'll let ChatGPT figure out my shitty grammar. It's like Wheel of Fortune, but it's ADD of Fortune. Exactly. Jump to a random site. That should increase the open tab count. Oh, that's the other thing, Emilio's wife. It'll let you take 5 actions on a site, jump you to a new site in a new tab. So it just keeps multiplying tabs. That's really good. Actually, wait a minute. Now we're on to something here. Hang on. Okay. The Chat ADD app. You can go to the first site for free. The first site's on you. But whatever site you go to, it automatically pops up 2 related sites. And then if you click on one of them, it puts up 2 more related sites. So it just keeps multiplying tabs. I think that could be it. It's a tab multiplying application. It's good. It's solid. There's an app, Board Panda, that puts you in random places. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. That was I could make that app called Fish for It. Actually, you know what would be kind of cool? Maybe I should take some of my old dormant domains. I've got screenplays.com and I've got fishforit.com. I let go of so many. I've got Ask For It. I think I let Fish for It go. I've got Ask For It. Askforit.com. It made me Buzz Lightyear. Yay. You did it. You're a hero. Oh, you people on the Twitter can't see, on the TikTok can't see that, can you? I'll put you up close and personal. Let's make it bigger. Ring. Uh-oh, what happened? Uh-oh. Ran into a snag with our content policies. Oh, this is a thing I read about on TikTok right before I came on, that OpenAI is doing this weird thing where, okay, this actually makes sense. So what OpenAI does is they render your image, and then right before they finalize it, they do a check to see not if it violates copyright, but if it violates copyright of someone like, say, Disney or Pixar, that would sue the living shit out of them, and then it deletes your image. Okay, so let's say, sure, let's reimagine this interface as if it were it were inside a Wes Anderson film. Is it Anderson or Son? I think it's Sen film. Oh yeah, that's good, Gareth. The Chat ADD app would keep spawning tabs, and then it would purposefully have memory leaks in it so that by the time you go to the third tab, you have to restart your machine. I like it. This is solid. This is some good stuff. This is some good thinking. I can't believe Gary Marcus got butthurt that I made a magazine of him. For someone who shits all over other people for a living, I guess I shouldn't be surprised. Let those in glass houses, right? Oh, man. It's cuckoo, I tell you. I already like the color palette of the Wes Anderson thing. The only focus I'm interested in these days is hyperfocus. Yeah, I know. I'm starting to find a little more inspiration and mojo. I think we're on a tipping point here. I think some stuff's going to start coming fast and furious. There was an interesting post that someone put out about audio. And I don't know if you remember this, but 2 years ago, shortly after ChatGPT came out, OpenAI said that they had developed a model that does songs. And then we haven't heard shit from them about that for 2 years. So when they released their native image generation model, which was also a year and 3 months in the making, someone mentioned that, and Sam Altman, did the little looky eye emoji. Like, yeah, that could be coming. So, for what it's worth, people. All right, looky there. That's pretty cool. There's a Wes Anderson version of LinkedIn. I think that's pretty good. The tall oval circles for the pictures. That's pretty sweet. Nice typography. And look, it retained Ethan Mollick. It redrew me as a sort of Wes Anderson character. This is definitely something you should try. This prompt had some amazing ideas. We're trying to come up with a hilarious app called Chat ADHD while trying to brainstorm some funny ideas. Okay, actually, you know what? Okay, fine. Let's go do that. This is a real good excuse to play with 4.0. Okay. I want you to act as a professional coding comedian. You are a product visionary who can drop some apps. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Oh, I'm picking it up. Compiling it, optimizing it, and shipping it to production with 0 bugs. Okay, maybe 1 bug for character development. Welcome to stand up. No, I don't want you to. No, stop. Okay. No. Hold, please. I have the idea. I need you to help me brainstorm. Oh, you know what we could probably do? Hang on. Hey, Quinn.
Hey, Kyle, what's cooking?
So you're going to be my comedic app developer, right?
Absolutely. Ready to code up some hilarity. What's the app idea?
All right. So the app idea is so on my TikTok channel, I nicknamed the channel Chat ADD. And so I've had a couple of ideas. One of them, so I want to do an app called Chat ADD. So I had an idea back in the early days of the internet called Fish for It, where it randomly serve up a website. So there's something there. I also have too many tabs open. So another idea we had was create an app that lets you go to a website, but it spins up new tabs in your browser for every site that you go to. But I'm open to ideas. So as a fantastically funny coder, why don't you give me 10 ideas of features that could be in an app called Chat ADD?
All right, let's unleash the creative chaos. Here are 10 features for the Chat ADD app. 1. Tab roulette. Each time you open a new tab, it randomly selects a website from your bookmarks or history. 2. Random site teleport every 10 minutes. The app takes you to a random site you haven't visited in the past month to keep your curiosity alive. Tab tamer, an AI that groups your tabs into themed sessions.
Hey, wait.
One click.
Wait, hang on. Are these all sort of browser ideas? This could also be some sort of standalone application. Think more broadly. Don't be limited by my crappy ideas, Quinn.
Got it. Let's break free from the browser. Number 1, Idea Avalanche, a feature that bombards you with random creative prompts, from story ideas to app concepts, whenever you open it. Number 2, Focus Flip, a timer that alternates between intense work sprints and random playtime activities like doodling prompts or mini games. Number 3, Task Tornado, jumbles your to-do list and spits out tasks at random so you never know what's next. Perfect for keeping things exciting. Number 4, Brainstorm Blitz, a virtual whiteboard that auto-generates connections.
Quinn, it sounds like you're trying to. These are good productivity hacks for ADD, but you're a comedian also. I'm missing the humor, so I need you to. Like, this is not about productivity. Like we've had fucking decades of computers making us more productive, and it's made us stressful, needy, neurotic assholes. And I don't want that. I want this app to just bug the shit out of people and then make them laugh occasionally.
Gotcha. Pure chaos and comedy. Let's shake it up. Number 1, Tab Tsunami, randomly opens a ridiculous number of tabs with absurd websites, memes, and conspiracy theories. Number 2, Procrastination Station,
This is good.
an AI that...
Keep going.
All right, let's keep the mischief rolling. Number 3, Notification Nuisance, sends random, utterly pointless notifications like your left sock misses you or time to pet a cat. Number 4, Mindless Meme Generator, creates and sends you bizarre memes based on your recent activities, just for the lulz. Number 5, Random Reminder Ruckus, sets nonsensical reminders like don't forget to blink or have you hugged your keyboard today. Number 6, App Venture Roulette, randomly opens apps on your phone, daring you to figure out why. Number 7. All right, here are a few more. Number 7, Autocorrect Anarchy, a keyboard feature that replaces words with randomly funny alternatives, making every message an adventure. Number 8, Reminder Ridiculousness, sets reminders for absurd tasks like practice your evil laugh or rehearse your acceptance speech. Number 9, Emoji Chaos, randomly swaps your emojis with unrelated ones, keeping your friends guessing. Number 10, Digital Distraction Duel, pits you against a virtual opponent in a battle of who can get distracted first. Winner takes all the giggles. What do you think? Any of these tickle your fancy?
Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Do we have them? Yeah. Tab Tsunami. No. Procrastination Station. Oh yeah. Let's see. I think the mindless meme generator is pretty good. Creates and sends bizarre memes based on your recent activities. App Venture Roulette. Random reminder ruckus. But these kind of do need to live in a browser, or I'd have to create a real app, and I don't want to do that right now. Emoji chaos. Okay. Okay, Quinn. So I now want you to help me write an HTML based, and any flavor of HTML is fine, but I want to be able to play with the app in a canvas. For the one that so I guess it'll act like a word processor and then just randomly swap out words that you write for funnier words or funny phrases. I forget what that one's called, but can you get it set up so you can start coding that?
Sure thing. Let's call it Autocorrect Anarchy. Here's a simple HTML template with a bit of JavaScript to get you started. This will just swap out words for funnier alternatives as you type. All right, www.htmlweb.com, heading charts.
Cute. You don't need to. They got to figure that shit out. Oh, okay. Let's see. So I would have had to listen to all that. That's one of those things that's one of those things they need to fix. Like, I want to be able to talk to her and then say, go write me some code. And she's smart enough to go, he doesn't want me to read code. So I'll go write code and then show him the app, right? That's what it needs to do. Let's see. Open a new canvas and make me an app that lets you write a sentence and then swaps out a word when you type the period. What gets swapped out should be a funnier replacement for the chosen word. Once the user types 2 returns a paragraph, or no, 1 return, types a return. Once a user types a return, a paragraph, generate, I don't think this is going to be able to do this, generate an image that represents that paragraph. All right, well, let's see what this does. They need to add the ability to talk and also see the dialogue some of the time. Yeah, exactly. Oh my God, dyslexic simulation. Oh, that's a really interesting idea. That's a good one. Funny sentence swapper. Did we just hang? What are we doing? Code review, preview. Type your sentence and end with a period. My name is Ishmael. Male. How do you spell it? Ishmael. And I like goldfish. Submit paragraph. Okay, stop. Okay, now let's see. I don't want a submission box. I want more like a word processor, and it just does the actions. Also, the code, the word never got swapped. I think we'll need a chat GPT API call or something. Swing dang 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 dang. Preview. Hello, Bob. Tell them what they have won, period. Okay. It doesn't swap a word after I type a period. It should. And it should flash the word it changed. They've got a weird interface bug here, which is pretty funny. Am I in? I'm in. Yeah, I'm in. Need a prompt for a cliffhanger. What's next? Auto comic. I made ADHD humor GPT about a year ago. There you go. Preview. Let's go. Hello, Bob. Tell them what they have won, period. Yeah. All right, this isn't working, and I'm bored. I don't give a shit. Okay, it codes better. Zhang, dang, 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 dang. Let's make more pictures. Pictures is pretty. Okay, let's see. Oh, so, like, what do we want to do? What does this make possible? So do me a favor. If you've been playing with it, sounds like some folks have been playing with image gen all day, and sounds like it's pretty good. So just post in here what's something I should try. It can do character consistency. It can do text really well. It kind of failed at put 50 objects in an image. It didn't quite get that. If you're new here or just joined, we're playing with the new image gen tool in ChatGPT. Turtle Boy. Let's see. My crew really likes turtles, but not like the Ninja Turtles, more like the turtles from that kid at the carnival who became a meme. Give me 10 ideas for characters based on that. Let's just see what that comes up with here. Good taste in turtles. It literally does brand layout design correct. Oh, that's pretty amazing. Lisa Dion Creative. Oh, brand layout. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. That's fascinating. You can have it generate a logo, then you can have it generate colors, then you can say, start putting together the pages of a brand book. That's fascinating. I like it. The zombie turtle whisperer. Okay, so these are good characters. Great. Give me 3 image styles that will bring these characters to life in a way that is completely unique, compelling, and visually stunning. Oh yes, this is where it gets tasty. Yeah, this has definitely got some some creative responses here from the old LLM. These characters are oozing personality, so the visual style has to match the offbeat, low-key absurd and oddly poetic vibe. Muted mayhem, lo-fi surrealist suburbia. Wes Anderson meets Where the Wild Things Are meets Polaroid rot. That's kind of interesting. Hyper-realistic anamorph aesthetic. No. College core data pop explosion. Terry Gilliam plus Basquiat plus Garbage Pail Kids plus TikTok filter hell. Let's try that one. That's crazy. Yes. Let's mock up 3 characters and a poster. Oh, wait. First, we need a name for the series. You're a genius. Have at it. Oh, I love this part. This is they definitely are going for some personality. This isn't 4.0. This isn't even 4.5. They're definitely going for some personality here. Do you know what I bet this is a direct result of? Is the DeepSeek, when DeepSeek showed its thinking, it wrote it in really creative ways. This feels like they're going after that. Let's name this Misfit Turtleverse. Oh, with something, okay. Da-da-da-da-da. Let's see. Shell shocked. We are the weird turtles. Oh, irregular turtles. Like the Irregular Turtle Society. Okay, hang on. Wait. Okay, my group here are a bunch of weirdos and they call themselves the Irregulars. Period. We could just call it the Irregulars or maybe something like the Irregular Turtle Society. Period. Give that a good long think and come up with 10 names that are going to make them happy. Period. Don't forget, they're weird, comma, neurospicy, comma, ADD, comma, OCD, comma, other acronyms, comma, and just swell people. Perfect. You're describing a band of beautifully off-center souls with big hearts and odd rhythms. People who might miss the beat make their own song. Let's honor that spirit. Here's 10 name options. All right. They're not about what's wrong. They're about what's wonderfully different. You see what I'm saying here, people? You're not weird. You're irregular. The Irregular Turtle Society. Motto, slow is smooth, weird is wonderful. The Selection, no. The Order of the Bent Spoon, kind of like it. The Soft Shell Syndicate, too hard to say. Team Turtle Brain is not bad. Think slow, feel fast. That's pretty good. Team Turtle Brain. The Awkward and Awesome Assembly. The Irregulars of Shellington. That's not bad. Leave the Unhurried Union. Okay. I want you to pick the top 3, and at least one has to have some form of irregular in it. Explain why you picked those three, and then recommend the top one. Team Turtle Brain. That's the one. Okay. Team Turtle Brain. What did I just walk into? Wait, which one did you love, Lori or Silver Fox? Team Turtle Brain? Oh, we've got to have a character of Frank, don't we? You can almost tell it nothing. It's smart. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. All right. The Irregular Turtle Society, why it made the cut. It's got a Victorian Explorer Club energy. Like the drink juice boxes in like they drink juice boxes in velvet robes and talk about feelings and space turtles. Irregular is reclaimed here. It's not broken, it's bespoke. Yeah, we're different. We're also organized enough to have a name and a mascot. It's not bad. The Gentle Rebellion captures the beautiful paradox, kind people with fire in their bellies. I think that actually does. Doesn't scream quirky or different. It whispers it with confidence. Poetic, timeless. The Gentle Rebellion. That's kind of cool. I like it. And then the Irregulars of Shellington. Why it made the cut. It's got lore potential. Shellington sounds like a place, a fictional town, a shared headspace, a common map waiting to be drawn. The Irregulars, that's really good. Okay. Oh, top pick, the Irregular Turtle Society. So I'll leave this to you. Let's go with either the Irregulars of Shellington or the Irregular Turtle Society. What's your vote? So just do 1 is Turtle Society, 2 is Shellington, the Irregulars of Shellington. 1 or 2? I totally stand around in a gold robe, in a gold robe, drinking a juice box. 2-1 turtle. Okay, you can't vote with turtle emojis. Fucking Irregulars. 3, of course. All right, so I got 1 and 2. Gareth not taking a stand. I think the turtle, the Irregulars of Shellington is winning. Don't say can't. Turtles rule. 1. More turtles in the chat. Let's go. Well, we're gonna make undecided. Okay, so they're both good. The Irregular Turtle Society. I'm gonna go with the Irregulars of Shellington. It's weird. And what was the other one? The Gentle Rebellion. The Gentle Rebellion sounds like an animated film about turtles that would win an Oscar for short animated film, but it's not for this group. The Irregular Turtle Society. I think we're going with that. It's the one it recommended. I think we're going there. All right. Okay, we're in. Okay. We're going with the Irregular Turtle Society. Give me 10 taglines. Which, by the way, what we're doing right now, back to the branding thing, the person that brought up branding, I'm changing my name from Kellington to Shellington. Well, we'll incorporate Shellington into it. Shellington will be where they live. Oh, actually, Shellington will be the home of the Turtle Society. Okay. Slow, soft, slightly unhinged. We're not in a rush. We're in a mood. Well, we could also go with we're not weird, we're irregular. Where the weird ones wander slowly, built different, shelled better, delightfully out of step. That's kind of nice. We took the scenic route on purpose. Highly irregular, proudly so. But it's the Irregular Turtle Society, so I don't think we can have irregular in the tagline. Built different, shelled better. We're the weird ones, wander slowly, delightfully out of step. I like delightfully out of step. We don't fit in, we stick together. That's kind of cool. Oh, actually, I like that one. The world moves fast. We don't care. We don't fit in. We stick together. That's kind of what this group is. That's kind of what we do here night after night, isn't it? All right. Okay. Okay. Here it is. The Irregular Turtle Society. We don't fit in, we stick together. The society is based in Shellington. And I want you to write a combination of a brand guide and an origin story. Include the visual guidance. Let's see, which one was it? The College Board data pop explosion. Wait, I don't know about that. Like, which one? Fuck. Muted Mayhem, Lo-Fi Surrealist Suburbia. Wes Anderson meets Where the Wild Things Are meets Polaroid Rot. Muted Mayhem. All right, let's do this. Include visual guidance for Muted Mayhem. Style above. All right, let's just see what this does. Doesn't really matter what it writes here. I just want it to... Oh, it's nice that it threw it in a canvas. It was smart enough to know that. That's nice. Good call. So we can edit it. The Irregular Turtle Society. We don't fit in, we stick together. That's really good. In the sleepy backyard town of Shellington, nestled between overgrown hedges and the echoes of forgotten sprinklers, a group of oddballs, dreamers, and neurospicy wonders found each other. This is good. Hang on, I have to do physical dexterity for TikTok. I like the move slow, think fast. Move slow, think fast. Let's see. Can we get that in there? We don't fit in, we stick together. No, because it's a society. Okay, but we can add that in. Let's see. Imagery and symbols, texture and materials. That's look and feel. Society structure, membership requirements, final word. Oh, look, we're not in a rush. We're not alone. Welcome to Shellington. So wait. So we'll say, we like to say, move slow, think fast. And then I'll put, instead of we're not alone, it's kind of our thing. And then what was it? It's kind of our thing. We don't fit in. We stick together. Okay. Welcome to Shellington. Okay, great. Beautiful. Done. That's lovely. It's lovely. Lovely. Now, I want you to describe the elements of Shellington that would be included in a map. Well, let's just do it like that. A map of Shellington would be a peek into blah, 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 elements of the map, the picnic table, council ring, the spiritual HQ, an old uneven picnic table. Nice. The fort of slightly broken things. This is really good. Not for nothing. This is strong enough. This is starting to feel like a thing that could be a thing. Slow and steady wins the squirrel. That's really good. Let's see. The final words. So let's throw in here membership requirements, society structure. That's design philosophy, voice and tone, core values, origin story. All right, let's see. It's going to create the map. Yeah, I'm going to have it create the map. Exactly. Okay. Okay. So let me close this canvas. Oh, this is a thing. If you don't know how canvases work, they can be a little confusing. What a canvas is an editable document that lives inside the context of your larger chat. And it used to scare the shit out of me to close them because I thought I'd lose them, but you don't. So if you just scroll up in the chat, you'll see a box that will be so this thing. See how it's got the little arrows up here? So that's a canvas. So this is editable, and I can open that in a separate window, but it just lives inside this longer chat. Okay. So now the fun stuff. I want to start with a logo type and maybe even a mascot. Wait, do I want that? Now the fun stuff. No, I don't. We'll say, I want you to create 3 let's see, create the first 3 and main question mark characters. We'll do a poster at some point, but I want to fall in love with the character style first. All right. So now we've got essentially a creative brief. We've got an origin story. We have names. Clove slattery. Well, what we should probably do is grab names from the actual irregulars. But then your egos are going to get all fucked up. You'll be like, I wanted to be the star. Why am I always the one that falls in the water? Oh, man. Would you like me to illustrate? Yes, please. Didn't you already come up with the characters above? Are these 3 new ones based on the creative brief? Excellent catch. Yes, I did create a batch of 10 by the I like Turtle. Here's how they connect. What changed? Okay, whatever. Next steps. Yes, make me an image of the first one. I'm packing my bags. I'm ready to move to Shellington. Squirrel with a shell. Oh, one of the characters should absolutely be a squirrel in a shell. and the squirrel in the shell is always the one that goes, squirrel. Yeah, this is good. That looks like a person's head, doesn't it? What did it make of Clove? Let's see. Clove, the keeper of the snack citadel, age 13. She looks like she was born holding a juice box and a secret. Oh, okay. Wait, do these guys turn into turtles? Wait, I'm confused. Oh, that's very cool. I think these need to be turtle characters, right? He's like the squirrel from Ice Age. If SpongeBob could do it. So wait, guys, should they should be turtles, right? Not kids. Oh, but make it a nutshell. That's a good idea. Dibs on your Shellington Manor. See, you can't do. Here's the problem with doing creative projects in the AI Learning Lab. The irregulars are by far like they're creatively genius, and so whenever I try to do something, it is always annoying when you're trying to do something creative when someone parachutes in with ideas. It's even more annoying when the ideas are good because then you have to deal with them. Like if people jump in with shitty ideas, you're like, that's just annoying. You just move on. But that rarely happens here. There's always good ideas. Where are we going? What happened? I'm a little late. Okay. So we have created a new franchise called the Irregular Turtle Society. So wait, so this is a big question. Are the characters turtles or are the characters kids with turtle friends? I think this is important. Let me ask ChatGPT. Oh, I like the different shoes. Hang on. I am confused. I think we're a work nightmare. Characters are turtles. Yeah, characters are turtles. I think what we intended, and by we, I mean the overly opinionated irregulars and me, it's rare, but I agree with them. Irregulars, we think all of the characters are animals, not kids. Get it? I love this shift. Animal characters unlock a whole new layer of charm, metaphor, visual magic. We'll take the same personality-rich approach, but channel it through the lens. We're going to also try something. While this is an interesting look and feel, it's a little precious. So my instinct was number 3. So let's go grab that. Where? I'm so confused. Where's my number 3? Okay, there it is. Ding, 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 ding. Would you like me to reimagine Clove? Yes. Yes, please. Let's see what this looks like. And anthropo. Wait, they have to be turtles and anthropomorphized. Anthropomorphisness. Anthropomorphized. Well, let's see what they do. I have an idea for the irregulars to create the turtle version of themselves and post it to the AI Salon. That's a good idea. Oh, that's a great idea. Wait, let's get this. Let me get this description of the style first. Or let's get a picture that we can start with. Actually, what you can do, yeah, this is good. We'll get a picture we like. We'll put it in irregulars. This has to live in irregulars. And I'll post like the official one in there. And then you can all take that and you can use that as the style to make your own turtle character. This is good. This is good. This is good. Anthropomorphicness. Yes. Why does he look so fucking sad? All right, we're going to say this is kind of a depressing aesthetic. I want it to be more subtly joyful. Let me see Clove in the style. He looks like a depressed Franklin. He does. Scrappy skunk with black and white nutshell. I was making frog and toad images yesterday. This is very close. That's really funny. Oh, man. He looks sad because he's out of Blanton's. I know. I'm so out of Blanton's. It's so sad. Then we can use all the description with our own picks. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. This is really fun. But I want to get to, like, once we can get to a look and feel for the characters, then we can come up with a logo. Then we can come up with a poster. And then once we have that, then we can, oh, this is kind of cool. Take things from there. I think this is feeling better. That other one, that other style was looking like the kind of film that would get submitted for an Academy Award. We want something more fun than that. Doesn't 4.0 make images with no background? Yes, so they can be on different backgrounds. Well, but you can do that anyway. It's also got character consistency, Silverfox, so you can just say give them a different background. Okay, this is definitely the vibe. All right, so then we're going to say, okay, this is the vibe and the world we want to play in. Oh, and it did. It put her name on it. Okay, great. Now that we have this, no, let's see. Let's say, now give me the next character. Let's get these other characters going. Wait, we have to give ourselves names too, new names too? No, I don't think so. I think when you make your own, you just say what name you want it to be. Like Danielle could put Be Not Afraid or Danielle. I don't care. You put what you create your character till you're happy with it. And then put your own name on it. And then I'll collect them all. I don't know what we're going to do with these, but it'll be fun. Yes. We're in the image phase now. Dibs on Jonathan. Jonathan's a good name. Jonathan's good. Well, and then here's a question. I think it's more comedically sound if you just have if everyone is turtles, but there's one squirrel. But there are also, like, Cindy Coon would probably want to be a raccoon, and like we've got all the other animals that you could choose to be. So we've got to have a preponderance of turtles, because it doesn't make sense to call it the Irregular Turtle Society if there's not some turtles in there. This is how communities fall apart, by the way. I guarantee you, we're going to get in a fist fight over whether it should be more turtles or if there should be more diversity of animals in the ranks of the Turtle Society. This is the kind of thing that breaks up communities. Wait, why? Speaking of, that's a lemur. Speaking of that, why Ezzy Booth, chief cartographer? Oh, sleepy-eyed lemur. But insist he's technically part moth. There needs to be all animals, like how we had in the AI Learning Lab Zoo. Okay, fine. Follow the vibe yonder. Okay, but wait. So the style's different. The style changed, and it needs a name card. We need a consistent look and feel for this world. How about you could have your own shell? Oh, that's kind of cool. Doesn't have to be a regular shell. You see? You're absolutely right. And this is the kind of creative rigor the irregulars would absolutely bring to the table, probably while covered in glitter and eating pickles. It's disturbingly annoying how well it describes the personalities in this group. Yes. Just fucking make this shit. Stop describing it, you fucking wordy minx. No friggin' way I'm eating pickles. Oh, Lordy. All right. So I think what we'll do next is we'll see if we can get the lemur in the right color palette. The Irregular Turtle Society. This is good. This is one we can play with for a while. We can play with this over a course of nights. We'll come up with a song. We're irregular. We're not the same. We're different. Walk slow. Think fast. Am I late? Did I miss anything? Yeah, Jeff, we've just created an entire fucking IP franchise here that's going to be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. And you weren't here? Oh, good Lord. I thought we established the rules for this place. You show up. You show up. If you don't show up, you miss out. Oh, good Lord. I'm in irregulars in front of my Shellington Manor. That's good. Okay, wait, hang on. So if you've not been to the AI Salon, if you don't know what the fuck we're talking about, go here, the salon.ai, click on join our community, and that's going to take you over to this place I'm about to go. And then I'm going to hop into the Irregulars channel, which there we are. There's I Like Turtles, Shellington branch. Very nice. Steve-O coming in hot with the Ghibli looking kid. Oh, wait, I'm not sharing this tab. How's that not sharing the tab? Come on, stupid screen share. All right. There's Steve-O's turtle kid. Kelly Camp. Oh, that's nice. Kellington from Shellington. There's Joker. Very nice. I like it. I like it. Kyle, I don't know what we're going to do with these, but it'll be fun. That's good. I like that one. Nice, Vicky. All right. There's Elon answering the hard question in the ethics club meeting right now. Is he stealing my data? Nice. Welcome to the AI Learning Lab. This is good. I like our new image generation tool. Someone said it earlier that they feel like, energized for the first time in a long time. Oh, Jim Ross said it. Like it feels like the early days, like discovering what's possible now. Now that this thing essentially does exactly what you need it to do, it really is a significant thing. Okay, back to chat. Japata. All right, there's Ezzy Booth. Now make third image. Make third image. Why GPT Ocean? Why does GPT have memory of everything we ask or mentioned? It doesn't. How do you save it? Example, I don't want GPT to remember. I visited London 2 years ago, although I asked for tourist places. Okay, Vicky can't stop laughing. That's good. I like it. Okay, I'm also thinking I'm also thinking we might want to just turn the irregulars loose to make your own character and let the styles be whatever the styles are going to be. And then maybe we reconcile them in some other way. Everybody should be posting in the irregulars channel. So if you're in the AI Salon down the left-hand side, you go down to clubs and hubs. And the irregulars channel is 1, 2, 3, 4 down the list. And just post it and show cool things. And we should also do hashtag Turtle Society, okay? so that we know, do hashtags Turtle Society so that we know it's part of this project. And we might even need to make our own space so that the Turtle Society can... Actually, this is actually kind of an interesting... Okay, here's what could be cool about this. I could see us making a space that's independent of irregulars called the Irregular Turtle Society that is a joint, creative project thing where everyone just makes their own shit, but we give each other permission to use the other characters. Because you could take... Yeah, I mean, what's cool is you could take Joker's photographic picture of his turtle in the Joker outfit, and Vicky's one that looks like what I did. You could upload those both to ChatGPT and say, here's what these characters are named. I want them in this new style. That's my style. And then you could make an animation, or you could make a children's book, or you could make a thing. I don't know. There might be something. There might be a cool collaborative thing where we can each do our own independent thing, but we're doing it in this coordinated kind of I don't know, fascinating way. It's an IP nightmare, but who gives a shit? This is the Wild West phase of the AI world. There's Shellington. Who's that? Jackie. Not in love with it yet, but really nice. You gotta have a doctor. You gotta have a Is there a doctor in the house? All right, there's Hazel. Oh, Hazel looks fucking sad. Are these three looking very different stylistically? Nah, they're in the same neighborhood. All right. Okay. I'm not grooving on it all of a sudden. Well, at least it's not Studio Ghibli. Fine. So let's say now make a poster with the name of the show, the tagline, these three characters, and a pond in the background near the picnic table, waiting for others to show. It should be the most awesomest poster ever. I wonder if you can share chats that have images in them yet. Uh-oh, might have just crashed my browser. I think I did. Ah, fuck. Oh my God, cute. What are we doing here? Did we break things? I think we broke things. Reload. The Irregular Turtle Society. Oh, that's kind of cool. I kind of like that style. We don't fit in, we stick together. Yeah, this is kind of cool. This is kind of cool. So in fact, so here's your requirement. I'll give you the description. I'll upload all these into a single post that's got this description of the style. But you can all make your own characters. If you use this style or not, I don't think it matters because I'll be able to pull in characters and say, translate that character into this style. And you can do the same. You can take some of these characters and do them. So, all right, that's kind of fun. I dig that. All right. I like the title. It's weird. It's weird. It's not weird. It's irregular. Salon irregulars, cool stuff. Correct. Share cool things. Yep, exactly. New activity. Vicky Baptiste. Vicky, Pop. Wow. I like it. I'm a rule follower. Added my name. Exactly. So be like Vicky. As always, be like Vicky. Oh, that pic of Elon and irregulars on my phone. The numbers as ref. Oh, wait. That pic of Elon in irregulars is Midjourney with my phone number as the ref. Oh, cool. That was a nice one. Who's that one? Kelly Camp. I like it. Kellington from Shellington. Yeah, get your name. So Jackie, Kelly, put your names on your turtles. Whatever you want to be called. Joker, I think we're clear on. Yeah, that's a cool style. I like it. All right, what's going on over here? Did we finish this? Why is this not done? Do we got to reload again? I think we do. I think we got a hung window, people. Ooh, that's cool. But wait, Bertrand and May. Okay. Okay, wait, let's go. Oh, we'll try it now. Okay, watch. So we're going to grab Vicky. We're going to go save image as Vicky. Save that to the desktop. We'll grab Kelly. Save image as. Oh, Kellington. That's Kelly. Kelly. We'll do Jackie. And then we'll do Joker. Save image as Joker. Okay, so now watch this. This should be cool. So we're going to upload those 4. Unable to upload AVIF. Oh, for fuck's sake. You got to be kidding me. It's just unbelievable. Export. It really is unbelievable. To JPEG. Export. To JPEG. Export. To JPEG. You know, we have in the world today, we have technology that can generate screenplays out of nothingness, can generate images that look like someone was there even when they weren't, can make movies, can make songs, can write code, can read code, can interpret 3D art programming. And we can't fucking open a file format? Really? Honest to fucking God. It's like, come on. Okay. Now, add in these characters in the poster along with, so wait, we've got Clove in there. Does she look like she did? Sort of. Yeah. With Clove, Ezzy, and Hazel. Ezzy and Hazel. Let's just see how it does. So we should get a poster that's now got a crazy Joker turtle, a Kelly with long hair, a green Vicky, a Shellington Jackie, and then the other 2, Hazel the bunny, and Ezzy the lemur. And they're all AVIF files. Oh my God. Oh, it's just exhausting. It really is fucking exhausting. Oh, we got new activity. Joker coming in hot with the squirrel in the turtle shell. I like it. Are you calling the squirrel Joker? Are you the interloper? You try to distract people with your hat and fancy show that they won't notice that you're furry instead of scaly. Squirtle. Oh, I like it. Joker the Squirtle. Okay, that's really good. Wait, we've got to add that character. Joker the Squirtle. Okay. Save image as. All right, so this is Joker the Squirtle. That's good. I like it, but I got to go change it from AVIF to JPEG. Why? Because the world's most valuable and important and profound company in the history of technology can import an AVIF file. Thank you. I'll be here all night. It's fucking exhausting. Oh, look. It did it. Holy shit, people. But it didn't put Ezzy in. So okay, so we're gonna have to get better at prompting. But this is fucking amazing. Look at that. So let's upload. So wait, so it got Jackie, so it got you 4, and then it invented a new character. And Ezzy's not right. Okay, so let's see. So we're going to upload from computer. Slight change. The Joker character is actually a squirrel in a turtle shell. Shell called Joker the Squirtle. I like that. Okay. Semicolon. The one in the white lab coat is Jackie. The alligator shouldn't be there, but the characters you created before should be there also. It's Clove the turtle with the flowers in her hair, Ezzy the lemur, and what the fuck was the other one called? That image is really good. Why am I stuck? Oh no. Did I just lose that? Oh, I'm such a loser. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, slight change. Thank God. Ezzy the lemur and Hazel the bunny. There should be a total of 7, right? Yeah. 7 characters now. All right. And we're off. Where did the crocodile come from? I can't believe how good that was. This is, I mean, honest to God, at this point, you could take pictures of your kids and their friends, or just your kids, and turn each one of them into a different animal, but keep their face. And then start to create entire. This is fucking bonkers. It really is. It really is kind of fucking nuts. I'm still trying to figure out why the lemur's sexuality is relevant. Did they give the lemur sexuality? No, they didn't. You fucking weirdo. Follow the vibe. Oh my God. Come on, get started. This is really good. It's not what's frustrating is maybe because the chat is so big. Like, I love the saturation of this. Like, you probably can't see that too good on on TikTok. But like the saturation's really good on that. And then all the other things are this muted, weird ass muted color. But I think what you would image created. No, not that I can see. Oh, we're back to screen redraw problems. Oh no, but it'll load the conversation. Nice. Oh, it's my browser's shit in the bed. That's what's going on here. Oh no, did we lose that other fucking prompt? Oh no. Wait, no, this is a new image. Oh no. So it put Jackie in twice. The lemur's not the right color. Now we've got two Joker Squirtles. Vicky's gone. Okay. Rest assured, AI is still janky as fuck. So I think the way that you would really do this, now that we're looking at it, I like this look and feel. So I think we would download this image. We would then download, those are already downloaded. We would then download Hazel. We download Ezzy. And we'll download Clove. And then we'll say, make a poster in the style of the uploaded poster with each of the uploaded characters represented. Do not label any characters. I think this is going to be the way we're going to have to do it. So we'll go upload this, oops, this, upload. And then we'll go to, these, open. All right. Let's see how that does. I think this will work. I found reroll does better. Oh, reroll. Oh, interesting. Where do you reroll? Right? Where do you reroll? How do you reroll? Oh, I probably can't do it because it's generating something right now. All right, let's let this thing go, and then I'll try to re-roll that one up above. All right. Society is spelled wrong. Oh my God. There it's not, but is irregular spelled wrong? Yeah, irregular spelled wrong in that one. What about this one? The Irregular Turtle Society. There it's spelled correctly. That one's pretty good. Looks 100% like an OpenAI issue, not browser. But I know it pains you to say bad things about them. No, I did. I said they were janky as fuck. AI is still janky. But yeah, it's probably them. I would agree with you, Pate. I'll say poo-poo things. Hey, Pate, did you see my Gary Marcus? I got a rise out of Gary Marcus. Were you here earlier? I made Neolithic Magazine. with Gary Marcus on the cover. his book, Brains Weigh More Than GPUs. He didn't like it. He said I was bullying him. Sorry, Gary. Oh my God. Have we started yet? Come on, let's go. I have a feeling their little Sammy Old Altman said their old GPUs are melting under the load of all these images being generated. All right. Well, that thing's doing its thing. Let's jump over here to Irregulars and see if we got some new stuff. Kyle's image really does remind me of the Franklin books. Oh, yeah. Franklin rides a bike. Yeah. Huh. That's a good one. Silver Fox. Oh, I love it. The Silver Turtle. I like it. That's nice. Jeff Flanagan. Nice. Love it. Danielle. Beautiful. That's cool. Gareth. Nice. The painter. These are very cool. All right, Val. All right. So, all right. We're going to have to figure out a way to, well, let's see how this poster does with the multiple uploads. Image created. All right. Yeah, this is ChatGPT's fucking up right now. The Irregular Turtle Society. There's Vicky. There's the lemur. There's the bunny. The Joker. It's still confused as fuck with the Joker turtle. There's 3 of them. We lost Shellington. We don't fit in. We stick together. Okay. Let's try a completely new style. Don't forget the backstory. Oh, yeah. You had the backstory in there. Gare from Shellington was raised by hermit crabs and once slipped on a sea cucumber so gracefully it accidentally started a global craze of shrimp yoga. He claims he invented underwater mindfulness and lost his sandwich to a seagull on purpose to practice humility. Now he teaches barnacle seminars and swears mashed up kelp is the secret to inner peace. His motto, flex your fins, find your zen. I like it. Oh, fucking crazy. All right. Well, let's let ChatGPT do one more thing and then we'll get the hell out of here. Wait, what's this? Oh. Surreal stop motion puppet style. Which do you think works best? Do. Barnacle seminars, the next craze. Beautiful question. Dreamcore soft glitch. Let me see the poster in this. Turtles are multiplying like rabbits. That's pretty good. Oh man. All right, peoples. We're going to start winding this party down. We'll wait for this thing to not redraw the screen correctly. Nice work on the turtle characters, everyone. If you haven't created a turtle character yet, you're not irregular enough. We need to get to know the turtles. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, everyone should add a backstory. I like that. Everyone could add a backstory. Yeah, adding a backstory, like, there's kind of a cool version of this moving forward. What it probably looks like is, God, but this is what we're gonna have to start to do. Like what I like about this as a project is it's gonna teach us how to wrangle a bunch of ideas. I could see us bringing in shit from the Irregulars channel into ChatGPT, have ChatGPT write characters with each thing with the image, maybe put that into a PDF, put them all in a Notebook LM, just store like this whole world in Notebook LM. Oh, that was the other thing we were going to do is we were going to do a map. Maybe we'll do that tomorrow. We can continue this tomorrow. And then because there's also like songs and videos and posters and storybooks and I don't know. Think about it. If they had run a report on what kind of images are created, heads will be scratching as to why a bunch of people are creating turtles. Yeah, I know. We've been hacked. I want to know who this Irregular Turtle Society is. I'm pretty sure they're a hacking group out of Russia. I showed 3 business owners today the new version of ChatGPT 4 image, and they were blown away. It's pretty stunning. I mean, it's dramatic how slow it is. It sucks how slow it is, but it is really good. It's really good. Ooh, that's nice. Wow. That's a cool style. That's sort of glowy. It made Joker a lemur and a squirrel. Oh, sorry, you can't see it there. The Irregular Turtle Society. That's kind of cool. All right, I'll post this one. Copy image. I'll throw this one over there. What? Seriously? This can't be that big. Copy image. Paste. You're an asshole. You're all assholes. Save image as the Irregular Turtle Society. And I think what I'll do is I'll also let me close this. I'll also save out that that one was kind of cool. But this one, this one has kind of a neat style to it. So let me save this one out as the Irregular Turtle Society, the ITS. Okay. So now let me go over here and pop those things in. Yeah. It totally ignored Kelly Camp. Wait, why are these? I'm gonna hurt some engineer someday because of this fucking file format bullshit. This is for the fucking birds. Export. I mean, you gotta be kidding me. And it's all different applications. Every fucking application has its own goddamn format, and then it won't import anyone else's. The fuck? All right, that's in there. Can I add more? No, but I can do a comment, right? This is a cool look. Now, here's the cool thing you can do. Look, This is a cool look. If you want to, so I'm not going to notify everyone that we're doing this. And then I'll put a comment. I'll put a comment in here. That's the other look and feel. This one. Because of the way ChatGPT works now, you can just download those images, upload them to ChatGPT with your character in there or whatever, and just say, make some other image. You don't have to make a title page. You can make whatever. So just let's start sharing shit in here. All right. There you go. That was fun. Woo! How is everybody? Is there anybody still awake? Anybody still here? Anybody? No, it's pronounced irregulars. Repeat after me. World building with Notebook LM has been a goal of mine for a while, getting closer, but not quite there yet. You're not quite there yet, or Notebook LM is not quite there yet, Jeff. That's an interesting idea. Mr. IT still here, awake, switch devices. Okay, good. Vicky's winding down for the night. Perfect. Actually finishing strong on numbers. Yep, it's good. Solid. I like it. Kind of, sort of. All right. All right, good. Okay. Present teacher. Peter's brown nosing the teacher again. He's gonna make a turtle eating an apple. Ooh, nice. Valerie, that's beautiful. Love that one. Tams, nice. AI Learning Lab book. Oh, the little class, what do you call the smarty pants in class? The class I can't remember. The smart one. Is she a genius? Oh, Corey Sandler, sad turtle. Oh, you're not seeing any of these. I'm an asshole. Hang on. Look, we got Corey Sandler, sad turtle. There's our Irregular Society thing. Here's Valerie's. Nice. There's Tam's with her AI Learning Lab book. Very cute. Steve-O down on the beach. And we're going to get sued by the Franklin people. These are cool. All right, cool. So we'll figure out something to do with these tomorrow. If anyone has any ideas, just put the ideas or prompts or whatever you want to put into Irregulars, and then we'll sort of pick this up. All right. Cool. All right. So tomorrow's Friday. It's not a first Friday. No, it's not. It's a fourth Friday. So I think we'll be on time. I think it'll be 8:00 tomorrow. It'll be the last day without producer Brandon, so it'll be nice to have him back because I just feel like I'm rambling. I don't have anyone paying attention to what I'm doing. So I think that's it. All right, coolio. Peace out. YouTube, LinkedIn, X. Say hi to Gary Marcus in your travels. Bye.